Guys, it's Haley and I am back with another video. So in this video I want to show you the the Outgoing secret word envelopes, and this is for round 12. And I also want to show you the cover and the couple things that I have finished up in the 5x7 Botanical Old World style journal that I'm making for Yalidi. Oh, also I want to let you know really quick, Ashley and Sandra, they were from the last 2 or 3 rounds. I think rounds 9, 10, 11. 9 and 10 were going out at the same time, and no one did 11. So this will be 12. Anyway, I had to order new stamps, and I made the video Friday. It was either Friday evening or whatever, and I posted the video Saturday morning. And in the video I said I'm either going to go to the post office Saturday morning or Monday morning, because the post office closes at noon on Saturday. Well, I went to the post office at 10:45 and they had a sign there saying that now they close at 11, but it was 10:45 and they were closed. So I was super irritated, and I went home and I was like, well, I'm just gonna order stamps online, because I've ordered when I was doing the swap, I ordered mail supplies online a million times, like bubble mailers and the cardboard mailers, and it's free. You don't pay shipping. And so I was like, I'll just do that, order online, and they come the next day. And since it was Saturday, I was like, okay, not next day, but it'll come Monday. Perfect. I order my stamps. I get a shipping notice, just a shipping notice on Monday. And I got them in a priority package, but they did not arrive to me until yesterday. Today is the next Sunday. So it took them 1 week. And look, let me see. I'm trying to cover my address. Look at this. Date shipped. 6/18. Idiots. Anyway, and I got it yesterday. Today is the 23rd. I was so irritated, but now I have new stamps, and I placed another order on Monday because my fiance needs stamps too, and I actually found some cuter stamps. So he's going to take the cactusy ones because I found some even cuter vintagey ones. Anyway, I got stamps and I got them all sealed and ready. Today is Sunday. They will go out Monday morning. The last round. I'm sorry, you guys. Usually, my stuff goes out the next day, but I didn't have stamps. And I kept thinking, oh, it'll be here the next day. Surely it'll be here the next day. Surely. Until it was the end of the week. But it won't happen again. I promise. I'll be better. I'm usually very good. If I have something planned, it gets done and goes out, because I feel bad about everything. So anyway, let me show you. This is round 12 envelope winners for Miss Tashia and Nadine. So I did it like last time. Everybody has the exact same things, the exact same number of stuff. And yeah, so I did some of the kind of bright scrapbooky things, plannery things, and then of course I did a few vintagey bits. So let's do all the bright stuff. So they each got a pack of these acetate stickers. I love these. I actually have these as well, and I adhered mine down onto vellum. I have a whole video on, I made like ephemera and embellishments with acetate stickers. Super cute. So, and the other envelope also has a sheet of gold foiled acetate stickers. And then there is a pack of the ephemera style sticky notes. This one is the rectangle, the other one is the square. And yeah, so the other pack again has the same thing. And then the rest of the girly stuff, I went through and did all the rest of the journal cards and memory box cards of the gold foil and pink. So there is 2 of the 4x6, just 1 of this 2x3, and the rest are the 3x4 card pack. So everyone has the same number. They each have 1 lined card, one of the words, one of the icons, and then there are 3 non-foil patterns, and then I think 4 of the foil patterns. Yep. Exactly the same. So that is all of like the bright stuff. And then I did just a few vintagey bits. I know not everyone likes it, but for the people that do, I really like it. And the stuff I found was cute. I've been making sure to, you know, use in the journal and give out kind of like my favorite things, because I don't know, at least in my opinion, they're the cutest. I'm sure a lot of people hate my taste, but that's why it's just taste. It's just opinion. Anyway, so there is 2 paper samples and a fabric sample. This is from the roll of chintz fabric I got at the thrift store. I love this. Chintz, I found out, means how it has almost that sheen on it. It's a cotton fabric, but it has a sheen. And this has like a batting, not batting. Maybe it's called batting. No, it's called something else. But so you can like, I guess, so you can iron it on things. And I tested this because I made a pocket for the journal. Basically, I just folded a piece in half and flat ironed it together to see if it would, you know, stick to each other, and it did. So if you want to iron it on something, you can. So there is an, I think it's like 8.5 inch piece of this. I love, love, love these colors. There are 2 4x8 samples of the original crepe paper, those original crepe paper American Crafts paper pads that I am digging lately. Botanical, lovey, love it. Actually, Amber, a long time ago, sent me samples of the same pad in 8x8 samples. So I just took a couple of those that matched and cut them in half. So exact same. There's just a couple sheets of these little mini note sheets. You know how I love little things and ephemera. These are just from a little Dollar Tree, one of those little clipboard notepads. Love it. There are 3 strips, 3 different shapes and sizes of these Tim Holtz mini sticker labels. I got these years ago when I was doing junk journals originally in 2014 and 2015, and I'm so glad I had them. Like, they're each on a sheet about this big, and there's, you know, a sheet of each size, and I just cut a strip off for each package. And finally, there are some botanical stickers. Whoops, you're about to fall. Hold on. There are some of the washi stickers. I love these. And as well as the regular cardstock stickers. Look at these. Beautiful washi stickers. There's 4 of those, and then there's 6 of the cardstock stickers. And the cardstock ones are all different, like mushrooms. Love it. So there's 10 total, 6 and 4, that go with this. And that is everything going out in this, which is round 12 of the secret word envelopes. So I'm going to put it in here in the middle of the video. The next round is round 13, and the secret word is, I was gonna have it as entomology encyclopedia page, but that's a crazy big word. Just do butterfly encyclopedia page. Entomology is just the study of insects, but butterfly encyclopedia page. So that is the secret word, and that will be round 13. And I'm sure either in the next video or the video after that, I will have those envelopes ready as well for the winners of that. So let me pause this, put these away, and I will show you my progress in the junk journal. Oh, and I wanted to add really quick, in these envelopes, the heaviest one without the stance is already at 2.81 ounces. So with stance, it's going to get close to 2.9, and I don't like to get too close just in case yeah, I don't want any confusion. And also in the last envelopes, I actually added an extra paper sample. One has one extra piece of paper, one has two, because there was enough room. So after I had the stamps on and everything. So from the last video, there's a couple extra pieces of paper. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I don't think I like this ribbon or fabric closure, so I think I'm going to change it. I do have some natural colors of faux leather, and then I had a yellow, and then I had a red, but the yellow and red didn't work, so I'm going to pull out my natural colors of faux leather to see if those will work better for the closure. And then let's see if I can do this so you can see, focus on one at a time. Okay, this is the flap, and this has just some of the book page from the bird book, a little bird image. This is my classic bed sheet cream fabric. I'm obsessed with this fabric, if you can't tell. And this is my absolute favorite fabric that came in the scrap pack. It is got these images of window and botanical plants, and then these are some of the labels I printed on fabric from long ago. They were just in my little label tray, journal label tray. And then this is one of those flower stickers I ordered online. I actually ordered 2 more sheets of them because I'm in love with them. And I layered it on that mint green vellum. And then that is just stapled. I got fancy and tried a new stitch on my sewing machine. So anyway, and that is the flap. And then when you open it, I have kind of similar components. There is the little same cream fabric and bird image, and I actually sewed around that. This is one of the 2 large stickers from that sticker sheet, and then this is from that vintage fabric sheet that I thrifted. Some burlap, and then these are actually from those botanical sticky notes that I ordered from AliExpress. Love them. So glad I ordered them. And I know this looks kind of like blank right here, but this is where the title is going to go. So I don't know if I'm going to do like a little quote, maybe put her initials, her name, and that's going to go like right here. Doesn't that look perfect? Can you guys see? Is it centered? Yeah. Doesn't that look perfect right there? So anyway, that's my plan. And of course I fiddled with that for about, a good 4 hours and wasted tons of time because I overthink everything. But I think it's come out pretty well. Again, this is the same one as backed on that green vellum. Okay, I haven't added anything else on the inside except I have this placed. This is just going to be a pocket that I am going to sew in right here. Doesn't it match this perfectly? Beautimus. Which side did I have it on? Did I have it on? I think this is the side I want it on. Yeah. Look at it. Perfect. I did actually make a couple other little tiny things though. I have these, which aren't made yet. I actually planned on sewing them before I made the video, but I forgot. Okay, so what I'm doing I pulled out 3 of these really cool little library card papers. Jen actually sent me, these were 12 by 12 sheets of paper. She sent me a good 5 to 10 sheets of this, full of these library cards, and I love them. And my plan is for the back to take 4 layers of this. Let's see. And I'm going to get it as straight as possible so there'll be a little bit hanging over, but not much. So it won't be too crazy. And then sew it on the back of these and just, sew around the edge. So this will be journaling card on the front, and on the back of some of them, I'm going to collage and decorate. And then some of them that don't have a lot of writing, and that aren't too wrinkled, I'm going to leave also as just extra journaling spots. So that is my plan with those extra journaling spots. Oh, and I made 2 other really tiny things. These are just from that, what is it called? Nature's Walk journaling card set, or is this one from the spring? There's 2 that match very well. Not journaling card set, digital set that Mishy shared with me. So anyway, I took some little, folded this in half. I'm going to do just a little something here. I don't know if I'm going to do a stamp or maybe a teeny tiny little collage there. Maybe a word, I don't know. And I just put 5 sheets in here. I stapled this one. And it's just a little mini booklet, so 5 double sheets. So 10 individual sheets like this, 20 front and back. And then this one, I made a little tiny clipboard style one. Isn't this fun? I made one of these in one of the original journals that I made. I think it was the large blue one, and I put a belly band across the middle of a page, and then a little notepad was tucked around that. So I don't know what I'll do with it, but I just thought that they went very well with the journal, and they're perfect, just little things. You guys know I love stuff like that. So anyway, that's what I've been working on behind the scenes. And again, I want to apologize to Sandra and Ashley. You guys know I'm usually very good about getting the envelopes out. However, I also saw that my last envelopes that I sent out before that, it took those a week to get there. And also Christy Lindsay, she, when she sent me that envelope, it was dated like the 14th. And whenever I made that video 2 days ago, that's when I got it. So for some reason, some of the mail is taking forever. Because that same round, when I sent Christy's out and Betsy's, Betsy got hers. I sent it out on a Monday. She got hers on a Wednesday. And then it took Christy's till the next week to arrive. Like the following Monday for hers to arrive. So stamped mail is going crazy right now. But anyway, sorry, Ashley and Sandra. Yours will go out Monday. The next round of envelopes, my second stamp order will be here on Tuesday. I actually placed 2 because my fiance also needed stamps, and then I found some real cute ones while ordering his. And yes, I'm sorry, my next stamp order will be here on Monday, so theirs will go out Tuesday because I want to use my new cute stamps. So Sandra's and Ashley's, yours are stamped, ready to go. They'll go out tomorrow, Monday. And Tashia and Nadine, yours will go out Tuesday. And then round 13 with our Butterfly Encyclopedia book, I will get those, after the first 24 hours, I will get those envelopes made up, and those will go out soon too. In the meantime, I'm going to keep working on this. I'm liking it, really liking how it's coming out so far, using all my favorite bits. And yes, if you guys are new and you're just like, what is a secret word thing? I just send out up to 5 envelopes for the secret word envelope. All you have to do is write it in the comments, and I pick the first 5 people that comment in the first 24 hours. If you've won before, you can win again. Everyone can win up to once a month. And then new people get dibs. So like if it's a new person that's never won before, if there's 5 new people, then they're automatically going to get dibs over people that have won before. So yeah, that's all you have to do is write the word in the comments, and US only, just because of shipping costs. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Talk to you all soon. Let me know in the comments what you think about everything. Thanks. Bye.